Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody upgraded from 7 to 21, or 21. I now have 23. So it's been a while since I've used 7. They say they don't have the vignette anymore. Well, vignette used to be underneath bitmap. You would go to bitmap, creative, and then down to vignette. They have moved it to effects, creative, and vignette. Now you see it's grayed out because I don't have anything selected. Now I could have just told him that via email, but I thought I'm going to add a little twist to this. It's something you can do to make something pretty cool. So we're going to take an ellipse, and this picture is a little bit hard because the young boy is right at the top of the edge of the picture. So we're going to put that right at maybe up a little bit. And I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to go to the intersect tool, and that intersected a circle of that young boy out. Now we'll take away our circle. We'll go to Effects, Creative, and Vignette, and we're actually going to go with black. And a lot of times when there's not much picture, you can barely see anything happen. So black is going to be one scale to the one side and one to the other. Now what you can do with this picture, we're going to put it back. We're going to go to Object, Order, Backup. Well, it should be actually the backup page. Let me grab the whole picture, go up to Object, Order, Backup page. Now that other picture is there, you just can't see it, kind of fading. But if you will click on the picture itself and get your transparency tool, and just make this a little more transparent. It really makes your object stand out. And you don't even have to vignette that. You could just take the normal picture. Let's just back up here. Let's just take our normal picture before we even did anything to it. And we'll go ahead and go to the transparency docker, and let's go ahead and transparency this. And then just move your young child or your subject back over. So you don't have to use the vignette to do that. Anyway, if you do not have bitmap or under effects now and vignette, email me back and let me know, and we can try to figure something out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.